Hello folks, how you doing? My name is Vanessa Raath, also known as the Talent Hunter, and based here in beautiful sunny South Africa. Now, I'm a global talent sourcing trainer. I'm also an AI strategist consultant, which means I spend a lot of time working with teams all over the world. I always seem to be on a plane at the moment, helping recruitment companies to implement AI strategies into their current recruitment processes. So what I'm sharing with you at the moment is this is a list that I have spent hours putting together. I really took one for the team on this one, and I regularly meet with AI vendors, service providers, those people who actually turn around and say we're going to replace recruiters with AI. I always challenge them, get a demo, decide whether I like the tool or not, and they go onto this list of mine. So please scan the QR code. You can access it. It's a website, and it is always kept up to date. But today, what I want to be talking to you about is actually a little bit more about ChatGPT. And what we're going to be looking at is, should you, as a recruiter, be paying for any LLMs or large language models, and which one should you be paying for? So I'm going to put a couple of videos into this library. You can watch them. My next one's going to be about which ones are better for talent sourcing. But this one is about my favorite, which is OpenAI's ChatGPT. And I really encourage you, if you were to pay for one LLM and you were going to use it for a variety of things, this one would be it. So it's a mere 20 US dollars, and you can sign up on their website. It works via Stripe, quick and simple. And the reason that I hear most people do this is that they start using ChatGPT more frequently and they start running out of prompts. Then they get irritated and then they start paying for it. But once you start paying for it, there's actually so much more that you can do. And I want to go and focus on two of those features at the moment. So the first one I want to focus on is this projects over here. So you can create a project for anything, and I want you to think of a project like a knowledge base. So if I show you my projects, I've got some fun prompt ideas that I normally put out on LinkedIn on Friday. You're welcome to follow me there. Even recipes, clients that I'm working with. But I want to take you to my company one, which is called the Talent Hunter. And what I've done here is I've uploaded a whole lot of data. So it really understands my company. No one else can access this if you're worried about data privacy. But I could go and ask things like this. So what I recently did was I downloaded all of the LinkedIn recommendations on my LinkedIn profile. Now there's a whole heap. There's just under 600 of them. And I put them all into this GPT, and now I can refer to them when clients are looking for, affirmation about my services. I can go and pull a couple of themes out of those recommendations. So I could say here, what are the top three themes in my recommendations? Now, because it's like a knowledge base, because I've uploaded all of the data to it, it's very easy to do. Go to LinkedIn, go to your profile, and you can go and ask for a list of all of your recommendations. So I would like a concise summary. So it's given me options there, which is nice. And there we go. So now what it's doing is it's processing the Excel spreadsheet that it has. It's taking a moment to go through them. And there we go. Oh no, it says I couldn't read it from the uploads. And I just tested this before the video. So let me go and try another way over here. Always tech, isn't it? So let's say, maybe because I asked for the long one. 3 themes for recommendations on my training. There we go. Often when this happens, there's actually a problem to do with the prompt. There we go. So it says, now it's managed to do it. It's just the prompt, isn't it? So frustrating. So it talks about number 1, transformational learning. Number 2, it talks about energy, personality, and engagement. And 3, credibility and expertise. So straight away, you can use the projects to build a knowledge base. So as a recruiter, you could build a knowledge base around a particular client, around a particular role that you are working for. You could upload, any information that you have that the candidates would need to know, any information about the clients, all publicly accessible data from the internet, which is really, really great. Now, the second thing that I would recommend that you start paying for OpenAI's ChatGPT for are these. So there's 2 things here. Like the Play Store, like the Apple iStore, you have got a GPT store, and you could say, I want to get a recruitment GPT. Let's see what it comes up with. And the nice thing about using these is that it already has the context about what recruitment is. The second reason is because of these, and these are GPTs which you can actually go and build yourself to make it sound like you. So let me give you an example. My favorite is my email writer. I very rarely type emails out anymore. And another reason to pay for OpenAI is because you can use the voice command. So let me just quickly dictate in an email. I'm going to say, send a message to Susan. I've just had a great chat with them about the training in my online academy. Let them know that I'm going to send them all the pricing. I'd love to have their team come through it. Here's a breakdown of the courses that I have attached. Please let me know if they have any questions. So something simple like that, I can dictate it in. And what it knows to do now is, because I have trained this custom GPT, it can take that very short, succinct message, and you can see it's now put it into an email that sounds like me, right down to the emojis. So folks, if you're sitting on the fence, you're not too sure which one you want to pay for, I do highly recommend having a look at OpenAI. It's very versatile, and it really is a fantastic tool that you can use across many different examples and platforms. So those are my contact details. If you want to get in touch with me, connect with me on LinkedIn, give me a follow. There's my email address. Pop me an email. Tell me where you saw this video. And yeah, hopefully in the future, we'll be able to work together. So thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.